Alright, so I'm going to show you guys a quick video on how to paint your OEM Subaru badges. First off, you're going to start with a plain black OEM badge. Here's a couple of things you're going to need. Obviously, you're going to need the OEM badge as well. First step, you're just going to wrap your emblem with tape, just so you don't fuck up the face. Alright, this is going to be your second step, the most time consuming and tedious step. You're going to use some nail polish remover and cotton swabs to get off the OEM paint that's already on the emblem. It takes a while, just a lot of scrubbing. I also used a paintbrush to get the little spots I couldn't reach with the cotton swabs. I took off the tape so I could see if there was any paint residue still on there, and I kind of fucked up and I scratched the top a little bit, but you can't really tell. Step 3, very simple, just gonna wrap your emblem in tape again after you take it off to check and clean it up. Step 4, this is when you're gonna start to paint the emblem. I used the metallic pink as my base layer, and then I sprayed on top of that with a solid pink that wasn't translucent, just so you wouldn't be able to see through it. And then here, I'm just going to take off the tape, check for any flaws, try not to touch the top of the emblem to get paint on it. And now you're pretty much done. Last thing you gotta do is just mount it up to your grill. I hope that was easy. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment, and subscribe.